Can't be too safe these days, opening up packages. Let's see what we got. Sweet! Check it out, I got wholesome organic stevia. I think that belongs to the wife, we'll give that to her. Oh, we got a key fob cover. Don't want to scratch your key fob. Man, these gloves are hard to cut with. That's a silicone carbon fiber sleeve with a nice little handle. That'll be kind of cool. We have, oh, another one in white. Now it is unfortunately COVID-19 or coronavirus pandemic. So we got some respirator cartridges. Just kidding, these are for my painters, for our paint business. But what do we got here? We have, you don't want to cut too deep, you might cut the product. Oh, we have a full leather care kit. Welcome back to Don's Life, welcome to the channel. Today the barn is full. I just finished washing all of the vehicles. So now we have to do some interior treatments. While my wife and I are working on these two vehicles, the Cadillac Escalade and the M4, I'll also be wrapping the diffuser. We're also going to use some leather care products. Haven't tried these before. I was using Meguiar's before, but this stuff looks much better. It's by Chemical Guys. Got the horsehair brush, the conditioner, the leather cleaner, detailer, special microfiber towels in brown. That might be what makes them special. And then we got some sponges here. So let's get at it. All right, today we're going to wrap the diffuser. I'll eventually buy one that probably goes all the way around, but for now we'll dress up the one that we have, see what kind of beating it takes. There's 8mm bolts right there, or screws right here, and a couple in the middle. Not sure if you can see those. So it should be pretty easy to take off. Put some padding down for this old guy. I was just driving it so the exhaust is hot. Got it. No clips broken. This rock was blocking one of the clips. It's pretty close. At a glance, you might think it's real carbon fiber. This is a real carbon fiber wing. There's a lot more depth to it. But this is still not too bad. Alright, let's install it and see what it looks like. First we'll use the leather cleaner. Spray some on the brush, some on the seat. Use our microfiber cloth. Got our leather conditioner. Okay, let's get the vehicles outside so we can check out the results of the leather cleaner and conditioner. Alright, let's start with the Escalade. So while I was working on wrapping the diffuser, my wife was using the leather conditioner on all of her seats and upholstery in the Escalade. Did a wonderful job. Didn't seem to leave any type of odor. Lifted the dirt out. Everything looked consistent, didn't leave any residues or chemical smell. As you can see, everything looks pretty much new. I've also in the past used the Meguiar's leather cleaner and conditioner all-in-one product. It's a little easier to apply because you just spray it all on a microfiber rag and start working it into the leather, but this multi-step product, you can see why it costs a little more, but the end result is it's like brand new leather. Pretty happy with it overall. Alright, thanks for watching the video, guys. We used the leather cleaner on the Escalade and the M4. Worked out great. We used the Chemical Guys leather conditioner fantastic. It's the product I'm going to start using instead of the Meguiar's. This is cheap. Worked okay, but still cheap. This here about triple the money, but you get all the regs. You need the sponges, the horsehair brush, little detailer spray, which we haven't used yet. Also in the video, you got to watch me put on this VVIVID XPO carbon fiber film. It had a protective layer on it. That's what you saw me peeling off in the video. But yeah, in the sunlight, it does look like it could be carbon fiber, at least at a glance. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, if you liked today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. I appreciate the support, and we'll talk to you later.